Something big just happened, and it's going to make Samsung fans very happy. Imagine expecting the One UI 7 update in a few weeks, and then boom, it shows up early, packed with new features you didn't even know you needed. Well, that's exactly what's going down right now, and not just in Korea. Surprise rollouts, secret hints, beta updates, fixing annoying bugs. Samsung just flipped the script, and trust me, you'll want to stick around because it gets even crazier. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here, if you're excited about getting the freshest Galaxy updates before anyone else, smash that like button, share this video with your tech squad, and hit subscribe for more spicy Samsung news. Alright, picture this. You're casually scrolling through your phone on a lazy weekend, and bam, an update notification pops up. That's what's happening for some lucky Galaxy S23 users in the US right now. Samsung just dropped One UI 7 with Android 15 early, way before the global rollout was even supposed to start. But wait, here's the plot twist. It's not hitting major carriers first. Nope. It's rolling out to smaller networks like US Cellular and Xfinity Mobile. So if you're with a big carrier or rocking an unlocked device, hang tight. It's coming. But the weekend might slow things down a bit. Feeling curious? Go check settings greater than software update greater than download and install. Maybe you're next. And that's just the beginning. Over in Thailand, Samsung dropped another bombshell. According to Samsung Thailand's official site, One UI 7 is already available for the Galaxy S24 series, the Z Fold 6, and the Flip 6. Meanwhile, fans rocking the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition, Galaxy S23 series, Z Fold 5, Flip 5, and even the shiny new Galaxy Tab S10 lineup will start seeing the update later this month. It's a slow but steady wave, and it's only getting bigger. But wait, it gets even better. While everyone's talking about the major flagships, Samsung quietly slipped One UI 7 Beta 3 with the Galaxy F55 in India. Yep, the mid-range champ is getting love too. And Beta 3 is no joke. It squashed some pretty annoying bugs. Say goodbye to the weird lightning glitch on your battery icon, busted SAM settings, dual recording pop-up errors in the camera app, and even weird call disconnections with specific hearing aids. Plus, it's packed with juicy performance boosts and stability improvements. Samsung's clearly serious about making One UI 7 rock solid across the board. Now, here's the real kicker. Samsung's rollout isn't just fast, it's massive. If you thought this was just a S23 or S24 thing, think again. Galaxy S22, S21, S24 FE, S23 FE, S21 FE, all on deck. Foldables? Yep, from the Flip 3 to the Flip 6, Fold 3 to Fold 6, Samsung's folding the future right into One UI 7. And if you're a tablet user, buckle up because the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, Tab S10 Plus, and the entire Tab S9 family are also getting updated. And that's just the April wave. Looking ahead to May, Samsung's aiming to crush it even harder, rolling updates for the Galaxy Tab S8 series mid-rangers like the A54 and A53, budget kings like the A34 and A33, and even entry-level champs like the A16, A15, and A14. Even rugged devices like the Galaxy Tab Active 5 and the new Tab Pro are in line. That's thousands, thousands of devices gearing up for the biggest, fastest software upgrade Samsung's ever attempted. Crazy, right? Now, you're probably wondering, what's the real magic inside One UI 7? Well, expect a snappier, smoother interface, buttery animations that make every swipe feel like a dream, new customization options that let you truly make your phone your own, and even deeper Galaxy AI integrations, especially if you're on the S23 or S24. Plus, all the goodness of Android 15 with tighter privacy controls and smarter widgets that actually feel smart. It's clear Samsung had a rocky start. Let's be real, a beta bug that paused everything a while back had fans worried. But now, it looks like Samsung's back on track, picking up speed and promising a seriously polished One UI 7 experience. So what device are you rocking right now, and are you excited for One UI 7? Drop a comment below. I want to hear all about it. And hey, if you're one of the lucky ones who already snagged the update, flex it in the comments too. Thanks for hanging out today. If you've had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for even more awesome Galaxy updates. Sam here, signing off. Catch you in the next one.